Hey guys, Dan, Housewashing Heroes here at Samford today. So took care of this one myself. So the gang are over taking care of another property on the other side of Brisbane, and I'm going to meet with them at the next job because this was a pretty straightforward house wash, including the exterior windows getting cleaned, of course, and it's come up really nice. So that's our my morning job done for the day anyway. Pop the drone up. This is such a lovely area. But yeah, just getting through that to-do list slowly but surely. And look at this weather. Absolutely loving it. So if you're in the Samford area, gee, there's some big homes out here. Our type of client, to be honest. So might even do a bit of a letter drop, let people know that we're out here, because we do have a few clients in Samford Valley, and the homes are really nice. Anyway, that's that one. I'll go and meet up with the guys at the next one, and happy days. Bye.